started because a bunch of my friends were going to a concert and they asked me to come along. I have a big group of friends, and so all the guys invited me, and then I didn't know it, but a bunch of the other women invited Joni along. So it was kind of like this silent setup, sneaky setup.
So this is like a secret date or something?
Yeah, it was kind of like a blind date where they all conspired to have the two of us meet at this concert.
Okay.
And things went really well at the concert. We seemed to get along really well. And so I got a number, and we ended up going out about a week later. We went out to Sausalito.
Look at that.
Yeah, and then she agreed to go for for dinner, and so we did. We went out to eat a little bit more, and it was great, I thought. And we both, she Ubered the restaurant, but I convinced her, hey, can I get a lift home? And so I did, and I thought, this is really great. We both have dogs. I mean, we just have so many things in common. She's beautiful, really fun to talk to, and I thought second date was, just a formality, if you will. And then I can't get a text back. I can't get a call since that date, and it's just like I just seem to have been ghosted.
Okay, so on the line, and we'll call her. I will ask that you mute your phone. She will be able to hear you, but let's play a song and let's do it, okay?
All right.
Hang back for a second. We'll do it next. We're going to call Joni. It's the second date update, star 1013.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hands on my beating heart. I'm thinking now, maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name, when my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, you could never grow old, it's evergreen. Baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways.
today. It's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. We are doing second date update. Our man Calvin is on the phone. He was telling us he met Joni through a kind of a unique way. His friends invited him to a concert. Cal, which concert was it?
We went and saw Train.
Okay, Shoreline. So about a month ago. And then her friends invited her. And everybody knew it was a setup except for you guys. Is that accurate?
That's absolutely it.
All
Which
right.
is smart because then no one comes in nervous. And it
Exactly.
worked. So you got the number, you went to dinner, you both live out like the Tri-Valley area. The date, by all accounts, went well, or what? Like the date itself?
Great.
Okay. And so much so that she Ubered there, you were able to convince her that you're not a creeper and give her a ride home.
Exactly. So we had a good time on the way home, too. Like, you know, just another opportunity to get to know each other.
And nothing since then she ghosted you.
Absolutely nothing.
All right, let's call her and see what's up. Hang on.
Hello.
Hi, may I speak with Joni, please?
This is Joni.
Hi, Joni. It's Marcus from Star 1013.
Good morning.
Really?
What's up?
I love you guys.
Hey, do you ever listen when we have second date update?
I do, yeah.
Would you like to be on it?
Ta-da!
I don't know about that. Is this about Calvin?
Yes.
She's going to do the work for us.
Calvin.
Okay.
He knows all about it. Calvin, come on in. Calvin.
Surprise us here.
Hey, Joey.
Joni, let's talk about Calvin for a second like he's not here. We understand you. The setup was cool, and the date was cool, and he's feeling ghosted. He'd like to take you out again, so where are we at?
So Calvin, he's a nice person, and, you know, I enjoyed meeting him. It was, you know, nice to meet somebody, you know, organically, not just, like, online. It was, okay, we went out to the parking lot, and he's one of those takes up two spaces when he parks, like, intentionally. And I mean, like, he's got a nice car, of course, but come on, like, it got weirder, because then, before I got in the car, he asked me to take off my shoes, and just, I mean, come on, are you kidding me?
Okay, can I jump in? Can I say something here? The parking lot was virtually empty. It's like there were all kinds of spots. It's not like it was taking other people's spots. It's not even a big deal, really. Like, who cares, right? And listen, I mean, you know, and maybe...
You know, it's just a turn off. You can park in one space. Like, it's a pet peeve for me. Like, it's not that hard to just park between the lines.
Why did she have to take off her shoes?
I just had the car detailed, and it would look fantastic in there. And I just wanted to maintain that beautiful, fresh, detailed look and feel as long as...
See how this might be a turn-off, though.
I can see how that might be a little weird, but it's not like, that's not super strange. Come on, people take off their shoes all
I
the
mean,
time.
I thought that was weird. I have to say, nobody else has ever asked me to take their shoes off. It just felt really like...
If I hadn't had a fresh pedicure, I would be so scared to take my shoes off. I want my feet looking pristine before anyone sees them, especially if it's the first.
There's a little self-awareness here. Joni, can we get a replay, a redo, possible?
Honestly, I'm not interested. I feel like he should just be dating his car.
All right, hang on. I don't know what to say. I mean, my man likes his car, but you gotta... It's a date.
You're either a car person or you're not.
Date, look, it's on the podcast, Marcus Corey Second Date Update. You can binge listen, and then 7:05 weekday mornings, replays at 9:05. There you go. Coming up, an airline who is our hero, am I right?
I love him.
He went on the intercom and basically said, if you kids don't behave, I'm turning this car around.
Plain.
He was everybody's dad. We'll tell you what happened coming up in 3 minutes. Hang on, Star 1013.
funny.
Okay, so there were some people on a flight to Cabo up to some shenanigans, so much so that the pilot had to make a special announcement. Listen to this.
So here's the deal. This continues while we're on the ground. I'm going to have to pull back to the gate. Everybody's going to have to get off. We're going to have to get security involved. And it's vacation that's going to be ruined. Folks, whatever that airdrop thing is, let's send a naked picture and let's get yourself to Cabo.
Somebody was airdropped.
This is the first time I've heard this. This is like the second or third time I've heard this. What are you doing?
And what I don't know is this one person trying to send to another person, or are they just quietly sitting trying to send to the entire airplane?
You can airdrop to anybody who has that feature.
No, I know, but they have to also be open and ready and whatever else.
What is wrong with you? Can we just treat an airplane